Today I am baking my first ever chewy chocolate chip cookie, and this is my own recipe, so I hope you like it. Come on, let's bake. So here are the ingredients, guys. I am using 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm also using 3/4 cups of Hershey's Special Dark Chocolate Chip. I'm also using brown sugar, 1/2 cup of this. I'm only using brown sugar kasi gusto ko magstay yung moisture ng cookie. And also 1/2 of this butter. I'm using Kirkland grass-fed butter. It is salted now. I'm also using 1/4 teaspoon of iodized salt. Also 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and also a room temperature 1 egg. Okay, so let's start. Simulan natin sa butter, no? Malalaman nyo kung room temperature na ang butter if it's spreadable. Ayan, medyo spreadable na siya, no? Mga isang oras na ito na sa labas. So let's use this one. Ayan. Mix natin ang brown sugar. So, ano lang guys, tawag nito, brown sugar lang gagamitin natin kasi para less sweet. Kasi kakain nito sila mama, sila papa. So, alam niyo na, kailangan hindi masyado matamis. So, pag ganito ng consistency niya, pwede na natin ihalo yung 1 piece of egg. But make sure na ika-crack nyo siya, i-open nyo siya dito bago nyo ihalo. No, kasi let's make sure na hindi sira yung itlog natin. Fresh na fresh. Ayan. So, halo natin yung 1 piece of egg. Ayan. So ayan, if na halo na natin ng maayos yung ating egg, no, with the butter and sugar, pwede na natin ihalo ang isunod ang ating dry ingredients. Na-sift na pala ito, kasama na dito yung salt and baking soda. Ayan. So halo-halo lang tayo, guys. Very easy lang to. So nakita nyo, pag nahalo na natin to ng maayos, ayan, pwede na natin isunod ang chocolate chip cookie. Malalay lang sa paghalo, no? So ayan, pag wala ng mga flour and ganito ng consistency ng cookie nyo, you can start baking. Ayan, so I already preheated my oven sa 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I-arrange na natin yung ating cookie dough dito sa parchment paper. So, kailangan may parchment paper ha, para hindi dumikit yung ating cookie. So, I'm using a ice cream scooper. Pero since maliit to, gawin natin 2 scoop per cookie. Ayan. Ayusin natin. Ayan. So medyo ilayo natin yung mga cookies, no? May social distancing sila. Ayan. Ayan, so sa ating recipe nakagawa tayo ng 12 cookies and i-bake natin siya for 12 to 14 minutes sa 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. No more than 14 minutes ha kasi titigas, hindi magiging chewy, hindi magiging soft yung ating cookie pag nasobrahan. Okay, salang na natin. After 14 minutes, eto na ang ating chewy chocolate chip cookie. Ayan. Bango. Sobra. Ayan. So, kailangan natin siya i-transfer sa cooling rack para mag-circulate yung hangin, no? Ayan. There you go, guys. I'm done with my chewy chocolate chip cookie at my sister Rosana's kitchen. At sobrang sarap. Promise. Try this one. Masarap. Sobra.